GasBot is a tipping service built upon the Neo blockchain. With GasBot, you are able to send tokens on the Neo blockchain to anyone you want. Currently, this service is mainly focused on Discord, but it can also be found on Reddit. It is hopeful that in the future, GasBot will be on multiple social media sites so you can tip your Neo tokens to anyone at any time. GasBot was created by Neo News Today, and if you want to learn more in depth about GasBot and other projects in the Neo ecosystem, you can head to ndap.org/GasBot. There you can find frequently asked questions, including the commands you can use with GasBot, and also this is where you're going to have to go to get GasBot added to your personal Discord server. I will go ahead and show you how to use GasBot on Discord, implement it into your own server, send or receive gas, including withdrawing any tokens into your own personal Neo wallet. Let's head into Discord and I will showcase how GasBot works. So here we are on Discord, and we are currently on the Neo Smart Economy Discord, where it has the GasBot implemented already. To see the commands of GasBot, you can hit /GasBot and it will say all the different commands that you can do. Let's start off with the simplest command of send. This is the act of tipping. I'm going to go ahead and click send here. Send has a field for an amount and a user you want to send to. Let's go ahead and send some to the good man Dylan. There is an optional flag here for when you're sending using the GasBot. You can select a ticker. If you do not select a ticker, the GasBot will automatically send gas, the Neo token gas. We're gonna go ahead and select a ticker here so that we can send Dylan 100,000 nudes. We are gonna go ahead and click send here. GasBot will think. While it's thinking, it's sending the request through the network and sending the gas to Dylan's GasBot wallet. And there you go, I have successfully sent 100,000 nudes to Dylan. It's that simple and that easy. Now, if you're thinking, what if I don't want to spam all the public channels and my friends every time I want to send something with GasBot? Well, you're in luck. You can send through private messages. All you have to do is talk to GasBot in a DM. I'm just going to say hello to GasBot here so I can pull up GasBot's direct message. As you can see, I've done this before. Not my first time. So again, you can type anything you want here. So I can go ahead and this time let's look at our balance. So balance will go ahead and it will tell you your current exact balance on the GasBot account that you have. Now, just a reminder, GasBot addresses and wallets are on the Neo network. So they are legitimate, like basically wallets that interact with Neo 3 mainnet. They are real wallets, just as much as anything else is. The only difference is you won't be able to export your private key. So they say not to keep too many funds on your GasBot wallet for that reason. It's not like a full-fledged wallet at this moment. I have some candy tokens, some nudes tokens, and I have some gas. So this is how you know what you can actually send and tip to people. Of course, this is your address. So if you want to fund your GasBot account, all you have to do is go to another wallet like Neoline, send funds to that address, and they will appear in your GasBot account. Like I said, this is a real wallet, so anytime you want to send something from your GasBot wallet, you have to use gas. It's a real transaction on the blockchain, so you have to have some gas in your GasBot account in order to tip people. We can do as many things as we want in the private chat. If you don't want to spam your friends, you can ask for help and it will tell you what each command does and what it means. Now, while you can use the send function and just instead of putting an @ and like the user's a user's name on Discord, you can actually put in a Neo address, and that can be any Neo address. So you can send funds directly from GasBot like a real transaction. But if you use the withdraw function, it will send everything in your GasBot wallet out to whatever address you give it. Pretty neat function to have. Let's go ahead and show you how to implement GasBot into your own server. It's super simple. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to add GasBot to your Discord server. So here I am, Mr. Neoboy here. This is my brand new server. Of course, it doesn't have to be a brand new server. It can be one server you've had for a long time, but I'm just going to use a brand new one here. All you have to do is navigate to ndap.org/gasbot, and it's as simple as clicking add to your Discord. Discord box will pop up. It's gonna say, hey, which server do you want to add it to? I'm gonna add it to the Neoboy server since currently that's the only server I have and have admin controls in. And you can check what it will allow the developer of GasBot to do. It will create commands in a server, but it will not be able to bake you a cake, unfortunate. We will hit continue. There is all the privileges that you will be giving GasBot. It tells you when it was created, as well as how many servers it's currently being used in, and you can hit authorize. Make sure you're human. Oh my pandas. I have confirmed I'm human. Bing bada boom. That's simple. I can navigate over and GasBot is now in the server. What did that take? If I didn't talk forever, I could have done that in like 10-15 seconds easy, but I like to talk sometimes. So now GasBot is in the server and you can type /GasBot to list all the commands that you can currently do with GasBot. So now that we've implemented it to our own server, what if you're a person that has never used GasBot before? What if you don't have a wallet set up? Like Neoboy here doesn't have a wallet set up. Well, you're in luck. There's two ways you can get your wallet set up. You can type /create and it will create a wallet for you, just like that. A second option, you can have someone else send a tip to you and GasBot will automatically create an account for you. Let's do it that way and I will showcase how this works. If I go in my server and I hit balance, it's gonna say, hey, you don't have a GasBot account, which is right. Let's go over to my other account. I'm in the server here and I'm gonna send one to Neoboy. And like I said, if you don't use any flags, it will just automatically send gas. So this is me sending one gas to Neoboy. As soon as I do this, GasBot will think, it will send it to a newly created address for Neoboy. There you go. I have sent one gas to Neoboy. Now, if we go back to Neoboy here, if we type balance this time, you will see we have a balance of one gas and now we have our own address. It's that easy. So you can be receiving GasBot funds before you even think about GasBot, before you even get involved in it, you could have funds. Of course, I'm not gonna go through every command in this video, but I hope this gives you a quick overview of how to get GasBot set up in your own server, how to get your GasBot account set up for yourself, as well as how to send gas as a tip to people on Discord. And one important thing to note is your GasBot account is attached to your Discord account. So you can use your account across any Discord server that uses GasBot. I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly showcase Reddit here. It's very similar to the Discord bot where if you get tipped, it's gonna automatically create an address for you. So you'll have a GasBot account created without you having to do it yourself. Of course, there is also very similar commands to Discord on here. And as you can see, people using it here, it's just a slightly different command of !tip 0.2, and that automatically sends 0.2 gas to somebody on Reddit. If you want to read more about the GasBot on Reddit, you can head to this post. I'll leave a link in the description where they showcase the r/NeoGasBot. I hope you all enjoyed this overview of GasBot, and I hope you hop on Discord or Reddit to give GasBot a try yourself. If you join the Neo community's Discord, there has been plenty of giveaways that utilize the GasBot's function. And more recently, they did a competition when the FIFA World Cup was on, where they would use GasBot to tip people based on World Cup predictions. It was a lot of fun, and I'm sure we'll see more events like this in the future. So be sure to hop on the Neo Community Discord, which I will leave a link in the description for, and get yourself set up with GasBot and start tipping some people out there. If you have your own token on the Neo blockchain and you would like to see it added to GasBot, go ahead and reach out to wakeup@neonewstoday.com, and you can potentially have your token added to the GasBot. I hope you found this video useful in introducing what the GasBot does. If you found it helpful, be sure to share it with a friend that might be interested in this Neo-based GasBot tipping service. Be sure to hit the like button below and subscribe if you enjoy content like this. But that's going to be it for now. Take care, everyone. Bye.